Welcome. You have found the 5-Minute English podcast. I am Charlotte Blackwood. I am a vampire. I have been speaking English for 243 years. This is Ethan.
Hey, Ethan Graves, former vampire hunter, current... Honestly, it's complicated, but I'm here and we're going to teach you English. 5 minutes, 5 phrases, every episode.
We begin now.
Okay, real talk. Has this ever happened to you? Someone says, "Hi, nice to meet you. What do you do?" And your brain just stops?
Eloquently put.
You know what I mean. You've studied English. You know the words. But the second a real person is standing in front of you, suddenly, nothing.
Today, we solve that. 5 phrases for introducing yourself in English, from formal to something even Ethan might manage.
She says that like it's an insult.
It was.
Fair. Let's go.
Phrase 1. My name is Charlotte Blackwood. This is a formal self-introduction. Correct, precise, appropriate for first meetings in professional settings, official contexts, or anywhere that requires dignity.
She uses it at the coffee shop.
The barista was confused about the spelling.
She was ordering a latte, Charlotte.
The name was written incorrectly on the cup. I corrected the record. Now, my name is... Use this in job interviews, formal events, introductions to people older or senior to you. It signals respect and clarity.
So if you want to sound professional and polite, my name is, that's your phrase. Phrase 2, this one's mine. I'm Ethan. That's it. Short, warm, easy.
Casual to the point of being slightly unfinished.
That's the point. I'm blank. You use this in everyday situations, meeting someone at a party, a casual workplace, anywhere you want to sound friendly and approachable.
Not, I will note, at a formal dinner.
When was the last time you went to a formal dinner?
1987. Arjun brought a presentation deck. I have not recovered.
Right. So, my name is equals formal, I'm equals casual and friendly. 2 tools, 2 different situations. Easy.
I'm is a contraction of I am. It is grammatically correct in casual speech. You need not apologize for using it. Phrase 3. Nice to meet you. This one requires a small correction that most learners do not know they need.
Oh.
Nice to meet you. You say this once. The first time you meet someone. It is not a greeting for a second meeting, a third meeting, or someone you have known since 1987 and continue to accidentally say it to.
That last part is surprisingly specific.
Pause. If you meet someone again, you say, nice to see you, not meet, see, because you have already met them. You are now seeing them.
So, meet equals first time, see equals already know them. Simple, but important. Nice to meet you, first meeting, only. After that, nice to see you. Don't mix them up. Charlotte will notice.
I always notice.
Phrase 4, talking about your job. And this one trips people up because in Japanese you might say your company name first, right? But in English...
In English, we say what we do, not where we do it. I work in marketing. I work in education. I work in finance. The field first. The company, if relevant, comes after.
So not I am Sony employee, marketing department, but I work in marketing. I'm with Sony.
Precisely. Or simply, I'm in marketing, even shorter.
I work in blank or I'm in blank. Both work, both natural.
Though if you have been in your field for 240 years, the explanation becomes somewhat complex.
What do you put on your resume?
I do not have a resume, Ethan.
To talk about your job. I work in... Fill in the field. Marketing, IT, healthcare, education. Field first, company second.
Phrase 5. I'm originally from... This is particularly useful for Japanese speakers in international settings. It answers the question before it is asked.
Because someone's going to ask.
Someone is always going to ask. I'm originally from Tokyo. I'm originally from Osaka. Originally signals that you may now live somewhere else, which often leads to a natural conversation. Where are you now? How long have you been here?
It's a conversation opener, not just a fact.
Correct. Compare I am from Japan. Statement, full stop. I'm originally from Japan. Statement that invites a follow-up.
One closes the door, one opens it.
I find that metaphor adequate.
High praise. I'm originally from. Use this when you're in a new city, a new country, or just want to sound more natural and open up the conversation. All right, let's run it back. 5 phrases for introducing yourself in English. 1. My name is formal. 2. I'm casual. 3. Nice to meet you first time only. After that, it's nice to see you. 4. I work in field first. 5. I'm originally from opens a conversation.
Put those 5 together and you have a complete, natural self-introduction in approximately 30 seconds, which is coincidentally the length of most people's attention spans.
If this helped, subscribe. New episodes every week. 5 minutes, 5 phrases. Charlotte looks tired of me. She's not going anywhere.
Regrettably.
And next time, what do you say when you don't understand something? Because saying yes when you mean what is a dangerous habit.
Speak for yourself.